Buck up. Understanding a versatile English phrase. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an interesting English phrase, buck up. This phrase is widely used, but its meaning can be a bit elusive. If you've ever heard someone say, buck up, and wondered what it truly means, you're in the right place. We'll explore its meanings, origins, and how to use it in different contexts. So, let's buck up and get started. Buck up is a phrase that can have several meanings depending on the context. Generally, it means to become encouraged, to gather courage, or to cheer up. It's often used as a form of encouragement, urging someone to face a challenge with a positive attitude. For example, if someone is feeling down or discouraged, you might say, buck up, things will get better. Understanding the origin of phrases helps in comprehending their usage. The term, buck up, has its roots in the late 19th century. It's believed to come from the word, buck, which was a slang term for a spirited or lively demeanor. Over time, buck up evolved to mean gaining a lively spirit or courage, especially when facing difficulties. To get a better grasp, let's look at some examples. 1. After a tough loss in the game, the coach told the team to buck up and focus on the next match. 2. I know you're nervous about the interview, but you need to buck up and do your best, said her friend. These examples show how buck up can be used to motivate or encourage someone in different situations. Interestingly, buck up can also mean to improve in appearance or condition. For instance, someone might say, you need to buck up for the party, implying that one should dress better or look more presentable. In another context, it can mean to brace oneself for something challenging, similar to brace yourself or prepare yourself. For example, buck up, the boss looks really angry today. While buck up is commonly used in English-speaking countries, its usage can vary. In some regions, it might be seen as an encouraging and friendly phrase, while in others, it could come off as slightly insensitive or blunt. It's always important to consider the tone and the relationship with the person you're speaking to. And that wraps up our exploration of the phrase, buck up. Whether you're using it to encourage someone, to ask them to improve their appearance, or to brace for a challenge, it's a versatile phrase that's handy to know. We hope this video has been informative and engaging. Remember, learning a language is all about understanding the nuances of phrases like these. Keep practicing, and don't forget to buck up in your English language learning journey. See you in the next video.